complete kitchen remodeling for free? Seriously, we want to save your space. This is the remodel revolution, and we're here to get it done. Guys, why do we need to come out to your home? You're a do-it-yourselfer. What's holding you up from taking your kitchen from concept to complete? I'm Mike Quist, and I'm here to save that space. I'm here to get it done and get it done right. I'm going to bring my team out. We're going to load that work truck up, and we want to come meet you. We want to change the way America thinks about remodeling. Is your kitchen tattered and torn, scratched and scorned? Is the paint peeling and pitiful? We're here to 10x your space. We typically save 10 times what a big box charges. Have you gotten a quote from a big box that made your jaw drop? We're here to convince America that you could do it on a dime. Plus, you're going to save 10 times the time. I want to see some video footage of the perspective project. Hold that cell phone horizontal. I want to see what your space looks like, and I want to meet you and the family who's going to help me. How are we going to get this done? What's your plan, and what does the dream space look like? Why should we choose you? What's special, and why do you guys need some help? Let's DIY this project to a showpiece, and we're going to teach everybody how to get it done like a pro. Now you know. I can't wait to see the video.